Have you ever wondered what happens after a person is convicted in a criminal case, and they believe something went wrong with their legal process? It is a complex area, but courts have established clear mechanisms to review whether that conviction or detention remains legal. Courts primarily review post-conviction legality through two main avenues: direct appeals and collateral attacks, most notably through a writ of habeas corpus. These processes allow individuals to challenge aspects of their conviction or sentence, ensuring that fundamental constitutional rights were respected and that the law was applied correctly. The fundamental why behind these review processes lies in the concept of due process and the protection of constitutional rights. The American legal system recognizes that mistakes can happen, or new evidence may emerge, or even that constitutional violations may have occurred during the original trial. These review mechanisms act as a crucial safeguard, allowing a higher court to examine the trial court's proceedings for errors of law or fact, or to consider issues that could not have been raised during the initial trial. To initiate a review, an individual first typically files a direct appeal. This appeal focuses on legal errors made by the trial court, such as incorrect evidentiary rulings or faulty jury instructions, using only the existing trial record. If a direct appeal is unsuccessful, or if the grounds for challenge relate to issues outside the trial record, such as ineffective assistance of counsel or newly discovered evidence, then a collateral attack like a petition for a writ of habeas corpus might be pursued. A fascinating aspect of post-conviction review is the strict procedural rules and the concept of procedural default. This means that if a legal issue was not properly raised during the trial or on direct appeal, it generally cannot be raised later in a habeas corpus petition, unless very specific and narrow exceptions apply, such as a showing of actual innocence or a fundamental miscarriage of justice. This rule emphasizes the importance of raising issues at the earliest possible stage. Ultimately, these review processes underscore the judiciary's commitment to fairness and the rule of law, serving as vital checks and balances. By allowing for the re-examination of convictions, courts ensure that justice is not just swift, but also sound, upholding the foundational principles of constitutional governance and safeguarding individual liberties against potential legal missteps.